Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning Talk, your weekday business news. It's Thursday, July 25, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. Yesterday, both the BSE Sensex and the Nifty 50 indexes fell by 0.035% and 0.27% respectively. The Sensex ended the day at 80,148 points, down 280 points, and the Nifty 50 closed at 24,413 points, down by about 66 points. Yesterday's fall was mainly accentuated by the losses in the financial services stocks. Top Nifty 50 losers were Bajaj Finserv, Britannia Industries, Bajaj Finance, Tata Consumers and Axis Bank, while gainers included HDFC Life, Tech Mahindra, BPCL, NTPC and Tata Motors. The Nifty index has to hold the 24,400 zone for an upward move towards 24,600 and 24,750 zones, whereas lower level supports are pegged between 24,300 and 24,200 levels. The government on Tuesday, July 3rd, raised the tax on stocks held for less than 1 year, that's the short-term capital gains tax, to 20% from 15% effective immediately, and for those held for over 1 year, that's the long-term capital gains tax, to 12.5% from 10%. Most experts believe the impact of the short-term capital gains tax hike on retail investors would largely be psychological. The overall budget is encouraging with an emphasis on rural consumption. The impetus to manufacturing and MSMEs too bodes well. The government has allocated rupees 2.66 lakh crore for rural development, including spending on rural infrastructure. And boy, oh boy, what just happened in the US market overnight? Lackluster Alphabet, that's Google, and Tesla earnings undermine investor confidence in mega cap names. Investor reactions to the numbers contributed to the benchmark's S&P 500 posting its worst one-day performance since December 2022. Its 2.3% fall marked the first time it had closed more than 2% off in the 356 sessions, its longest streak since 2007. The Nasdaq Composite also was beaten down, posting its largest single-day percentage decline of 3.6% since October 2022 to finish at its lowest points since June 10. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones also closed below 40,000 points for the first time in 2 weeks, having lost 1.2% or 504 points. Experts believe there's a little bit of profit taking, and also investors are somewhat apprehensive about the upcoming earnings announcements. In oil prices, Brent crude is trading around $81.50, while the NYMEX crude is around $77.45. Gold is trading at around $2,396 per ounce in the US, whereas in India it is around rupees 6,450 per gram. Now for today's outlook for the Indian market. The Nifty is expected to open lower at around 24,250 as the GIFT Nifty indicates a drop of about 163 points or 0.67%, taking into consideration the global weakness. See you tomorrow. Happy investing and stay inspired.